The way I see employee ownership is it is an important part of a larger corporate system. Ownership structure, I think, from what I learned, is not just about giving certain share, or it's also about very important. It's also about the corporate culture, the ownership culture. So there's the financial effect, by giving certain stock, etc. But then there's this psychological driver. If you only have, if you're giving out ownership stake, but you are supervising the employee, not trusting them, not give them enough participation. I learned from Professor Blasi, from their study that this will not work. And I think that definitely makes sense. I think ownership is very inherent in our human nature. We take better care of something that we own, right? And so I think a smarter designer is learn how to tap into this human nature instead of countering it. My personal interest, actually, the essence of my research interest is organizational design for well-being. Not just for performance. Personally, I believe performance is a mean towards having well-being for employees. Right? Think of, why do we have organizations? Why do we have companies? Some people say to maximize shareholders' value, and that's what we learn in standard economic. But I think the alternative view is, here's a group of people who has certain vision, who wants to create something together. There's some common purpose together. And through that process, that journey of going from the reality towards that vision, right? There's this creative tension. They are gradually realizing this dream together and feeling as part of it, and that process brings them joy, happiness, well-being.